Welcome, guys. Welcome to Quiz and Quotes. Here we are discussing the part 5 of accounting MCQs. This is very much important for the sure shot success in your examinations. Any examination which covers the accounting questions that will going to be benefited out of these discussions. And all the students who are appearing in such examinations must follow these questions on the way uh, whatever they're doing. They are not required to carry the books all the way, or carry the mobile, see these channels, and I'm trying to cover all the possible questions that are supposed to come in the area of accounting here. So let's go ahead with the question. Question number 1. At the end of the year, depreciation account is transferred to A. Balance sheet, B. Trading account, C. Profit and loss appropriation account, D. Profit and loss account. At the end of a year, depreciation account is transferred to which account? A. Balance sheet, B. Trading account, C. Profit and loss appropriation account, D. Profit and loss account. And the answer is profit and loss account. Hopefully you have guessed right. But do practicing, seeing these discussions number of times repeatedly, you're going to add it in your mind and your soul, right? If you have any question, you can always ask in the comment box. I'll definitely answer all of your questions. Next question. Provision is created by debiting A. Profit and loss account, B. None of these, C. Profit and loss appropriation account, D. Trading account. I repeat, provision is created by debiting what? Profit and loss account, none of these, profit and loss appropriation account, and trading account. And the answer is profit and loss account. Fine. Next question. The cause of depreciation is, what is the cause of the depreciation? A. Option A, wear and tear. B. Obsolescence. C. All of these. D. Usage of asset. What is the cause of depreciation? And the answer is all of this. We charge depreciation due to the all the reason, due to wear and tear, obsolescence, and usage of asset all together. Right, guys? Next, go to the next question. Depreciation is the process of what? What kind of process depreciation is? A. Allocation. B. Valuation. C. None of these. D. Depletion. What kind of process depreciation is? I repeat, A. Allocation, B. Valuation, C. None of these, D. Depletion. And the answer is allocation. Depreciation is a process of allocation of the cost of the asset in number of years, whatever the depending on the nature of asset. Right, guys? Let's go ahead. Under reducing balance method, depreciation to be charged. Under reducing balance method, depreciation to be charged: A. Scrap value, B. None of these, C. Real value, D. Original value. Under reducing balance method, depreciation to be charged: A. Scrap value, B. None of these, C. Real value, D. Original value. And the answer is none of these. The depreciation charge on the asset will be credited to. The depreciation charge on the asset will be credited to which account? A. Depreciation account, B. Asset account, C. Bank account, D. Cash account. Try fast. This is very simple. The depreciation charge on the asset will be credited to A. Depreciation account, B. Asset account, C. Bank account, D. Cash account. And the right answer is asset account. Next question. Every fixed asset loses its value due to use or other reason. This decline in the value of asset is known as every asset that loses its value due to its use, continuous use in the production, or maybe some other reason. The decline in the value of asset is known as what? A. Amortization, B. Provision, C. Depreciation, D. Devaluation. Option A. Amortization, B. Provision, C. Depreciation, D. Devaluation. Quickly, guys. Any guess? And the right answer is depreciation. Simple. Next question. Following are the cause of depreciation except. Out of these options, which are the cause of depreciation except? Wear and tear due to use and passage of time, B. Normal factor, C. Expiration of legal rights, D. Obsolescence. What are the causes of depreciation except? A. Wear and tear due to usage and passage of time. B. Normal factors. C. Expiration of legal rights. D. Obsolescence. Answer is normal factors. Wear and tear, passage of time, expiration of legal right, and obsolescence. All these are the reason of depreciation. So next question is, following are the causes of depreciation except again. Natural resources. A. Natural resources. B. Fixed assets. C. Liabilities. D. Intangible assets. A. Natural resources. B. Fixed assets. C. Liabilities. D. Intangible asset. And the right answer is natural resources. An alternative term used for accumulated depreciation expenses. What is the alternative term used for accumulated depreciation expenses? A. Provision for depreciation. B. Cumulative depreciation. C. Targeted depreciation. D. Depletion. Which is the alternative term used for the accumulated depreciation? A. Provision for depreciation. B. Cumulative depreciation. C. Targeted depreciation. D. Depletion. The right answer is provision for depreciation, because the accumulated depreciation is added continuously year after year to the provisional depreciation, and this cumulative provisional balances carry forward next year and every year. Right, guys? Next question. Depreciation charged under diminishing method. Depreciation charged under diminishing method. A. Increases every year. B. Decrease every year. C. Increase in 1 year and decrease another year. D. Same every year. Depreciation charged under diminishing method. Increase every year, decrease every year, increase 1 year and decrease another year, same every year. So depreciation under diminishing method, it's the word itself says it is diminishing. So the right answer is decrease every year. Next question. Which of the following is not a type of reserve? Which of the following is not a type of reserve? A. Provision for bad debts. B. General reserve. C. Workmen compensation fund. D. Retained earnings. Which of the following is not a type of reserve? A. Provision for bad debt. B. General reserve. C. Workmen compensation fund. D. Retained earnings. And the right answer is provision for bad debts. Provision of bad debt is not a type of reserve. Right, guys? Next. What is depreciation? So simple. A. Cost of using fixed asset. B. The value of asset. C. Portion of fixed assets cost consumed during the current accounting, and cost of fixed asset repair. So what is the right answer? Think, it's simple. And the right answer is cost of using a fixed asset. Simple. Whatever the cost of the fixed asset got allocated in the lifespan of the asset, and these are being charged to the asset so that a separate fund can be developed, separate account can be developed. It helps in the restoration and the replacement of the asset when the life of the asset finishes. And the cost, whatever the cost of the asset, got consumed in the production cost. Right, guys? Next. Depreciation helps in determining A. Accurate level of profit. B. Increase the value of assets. C. Revenue generation. D. Increase in the burden of tax. Depreciation helps in determining A. What? Accurate level of profit. Increase the value of asset. Revenue generation. D. Increase in the burden of tax. Accurate level of profit is the right answer. Because if we don't charge depreciation, what happened? The consumption of asset for the production is not considered in the cost of goods sold. Right, guys? Let's go to the next question. What is the rate of charging depreciation under diminishing method? What is the rate of charging depreciation under diminishing method? A. 12%, B. 15%, C. 10%, D. Not fixed. And the right answer is not fixed. Under diminishing method, there is a different rates for the different kind of assets. It is different in the Companies Act, it's different in the Income Tax Act. So we have to decide case to case basis for which purpose which rate is applied. Right, guys? Let's go ahead. Under which depreciation method the amount of depreciation expenses remains same throughout the useful life of fixed asset? Under which depreciation method the amount of depreciation expense remains same throughout the useful life of fixed asset? A. Straight line method. B. Reducing balance method. C. Number of units produced method, and machine hour method. In which method the amount of depreciation expense remains same throughout the useful life of fixed asset? And the right answer is straight line method. Next question, on dishonor of a discounted bill, whom does the bank look for the payment? When a discounted bill dishonored, किसको बैंक खोजेगा पैसा देने के लिए? A. ड्रॉयर, B. ड्रॉई, C. endorser, D. payee. I repeat the question, on dishonor of a discounted bill, whom does the bank look for the payment? A. Drawer, B. Drawee, C. Endorser, D. Payee. And the right answer is drawer. Next question. The act for signing by the drawer on the book of the instrument for the purpose of transfer. The act for signing the drawer for the book of the instrument for the purpose of transfer. A is called what? Acceptance of bill. Check. B. Check. C. Endorsement. D. Bill. What is the right answer? A. Acceptance of bill. B. Check. C. Endorsement. D. Bill. And the right answer is endorsement. Right? When the drawer is signing on the book of the instrument for the purpose of transfer. Next, which balance is shown by BR book? Which balance is shown by BR book? A. Credit. B. None. C. Both. D. Debit. कौन सा बैलेंस होता है बिल रिसीवेबल बुक में? द आंसर इज डेबिट. रिसीवेबल एसेट है ना बाबा. On whom the trade bill drawn? On whom the trade bill drawn? A. Seller. B. Creditor. C. Debtor. D. Owner. The question is, on whom the trade bill drawn? A. Seller. B. Creditor. C. Debtor. D. Owner. And the answer is debtor. Now guys, we have finished this series, again the part 5 of it, and now it's a gift time. I request all of you to explore the description box. There is a gift inside which can turn around your life, your career. It is an opportunity, big opportunity. I am not telling anything about it. I wish go explore yourself, click to the link, see it, and find if there is something for you. If yes, then connect me on the number given on the WhatsApp or email me. For any support, I am here. Fill the form. We'll call you back. And one humble request, number of people are giving the examinations. The purpose of making this MCQ to helping the students. So please share for all the friends, all the people who are deserving to get the opportunities and who are fighting for their success. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you.